Today we're diving into the world of farm accident injury lawsuits. Buckle up, folks, it's going to be a wild ride. What are the most common types of farm accident injury lawsuits? The picturesque fields and rolling hills of Illinois, a farmer's paradise. But let's not forget, farming can be a risky business. Did you know that farming industry fatalities rose 11% in 2008 alone? That's right, folks, safety is no joke in the farming world. So what are some of the most common types of serious farm accidents and injuries? Let's break it down. Tractor overturn deaths, farm structure falls, machine entanglements, you name it. Farming has its fair share of hazards. But here's the kicker. Many of these accidents could have been prevented with proper safety measures. But fear not, if you or a loved one has been seriously injured in a farm accident, help is at hand. An experienced farm accident attorney can fight for your rights and help you get the compensation you deserve. Whether it's medical bills, lost wages, or other damages, you shouldn't have to bear the burden alone. So don't wait, get the help you need today. Remember, safety first. Let's keep our farms safe and our workers protected. Don't hesitate to reach out to Rosenfeld injury lawyers today. Together, we can navigate the complexities of the law and ensure you get the compensation you deserve.